Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. If you're in Maryland Zone 7 like me, let's talk about what to plant in April. Go ahead and direct sow your carrots. They're high in vitamins A, C, and K. So good for you, good for your eyes. Look how beautiful these carrot tops are. Ooh, look at that. Be on the lookout for an upcoming carrot harvest video. I recently planted more carrot seeds because we want more carrots. Go ahead and start your kale seeds. Beautiful green leafy, heart healthy greens. If you are located in the Maryland, DC, Virginia area, go ahead and sow your seeds now. Peas are one of the earliest and easiest vegetables to grow in the garden, also one of the first to be harvested in the spring. Look how well the peas are growing. We started these together in the What to Plant in March video. So if you have not started your peas yet, it is not too late. Go ahead and plant your seed potatoes. Potatoes are high in fiber as well as water content, which is why they're considered a very filling food to eat. I never met a potato I didn't like. Who's ready to eat a delicious spring salad? I know I am. Salads are great for weight management because of its high fiber and high water content. And here's a look at what it looks like since the day we planted it. The lettuce is coming through beautifully. I love the red and green color mix there. The chives there in the middle, as well as the butter crunch lettuce on the right, are finally waking up. I'm looking forward to doing daily or mostly daily spring and summer vlogs coming up in May. Go ahead and start your radishes. They are known for their fast growth and essential vitamins and minerals. April is an excellent time to start sowing your spinach seeds. Spinach grows best during cooler months. It prefers temperatures under 75 degrees Fahrenheit. And remember, we started these seeds together, so I'm happy to show the results. And here's a look at the spinach after we sowed those seeds. Germination, baby. So again, if you have not started your spinach seeds, go ahead and get those started now. You can go ahead and sow your beet seeds now in April. Every part of the beet can be eaten, including the roots, stem, and leaves. My beets are off to a great start. Loving it. Just beat it. Go ahead and get your asparagus started now in April. Maryland, DMV area, Zone 7. This is my very first time growing asparagus, so I'm having fun on this one, just learning how it grows and what it's going to do in the future. I'm trying it two ways. I'm growing by seed as well as crown, so I'll see which way I like best. Go ahead and sow those delicious mustard greens now in April directly into the ground. Go ahead and get your spicy arugula started now in April. We planted this together. It turned out amazing. I think you already know what I'm about to say. Yes, go ahead and get your Swiss chard started. We started this together as well. If you're planning on growing onions, now is the time. Go ahead and get those onion bulbs planted. Here's an update on those we started together. If you started your broccoli and collard greens indoors over the winter, go ahead and transplant your starts out into the garden. My son and I, we love to roast broccoli in the oven. We use oil, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, just all the yummy seasonings. It's so delicious. Summer heat is on the way. Go ahead and get your warm season crops started indoors. Here are some herbs that can be direct sown outdoors or indoors now in April. If you don't already cook with herbs, I highly suggest that you do. Talk about a party in your mouth. They can enhance the flavor of your meals. Thank you so much for being here. I hope this video was helpful to someone. I look forward to reading your comments or answering any questions that you might have. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.